Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication or two-step verification on your Google account. So, let's get started. First of all, go to your Google account by tapping your profile on the upper right corner. Alright? After that, tap on Manage your Google account. Now you will be directed to your Google account settings. Go to your security section and scroll down. So, as you can see, the two-step verification is off. So, to turn it on, just tap it. Alright, after that, you need to enter your phone password to confirm it if only your phone has a password. Got it? So, just enter your password and continue. After that, you just need to turn on your two-step verification. Alright, as you can see, you're now protected with two-step verification, but make sure your Google account has phone number on it. You need to put your phone number first and verify it. Alright, now you know how to enable your two-factor authentication or two-step verification on your Google account. So, good luck, and that's it.